Hello, we are here to present some basket sports. First, we have Chocor Bilqueta and Chinga. In the both basket sports, there are two teams. In Chocor Bilqueta, they have to take a piece of wood and bring to.
Other sports are socatira and escopilota. In socatira, they play the strong boys and girls. And in escopilota, they play liga. In other part, we have sacola terqueta and escolari. In sacola terqueta, you have to go back into the other side, into the bag, and in escolar. In another sport that you play on the motor, the cesta is like the pilota that you have to play with a cesta. And then we have pala.
Created using Powtoon.